John Elliott, I'm going to start with you. We're a quarter of the way through 2025 here, roughly. And what do you focus on? What do you sort of must get done in 2025 for you inside of your unit at this point?
Yeah, so I think there are two big priorities we're looking on. I talked a lot in the last segment talked about the pilot cycles we're doing, and it's very important that we continue and finish out a couple of these rapid iterations of pilots to really help us understand how effective generative AI can be in these use cases that industry and the public sector in the larger public may not encounter, like in our warfighting mission use cases, to know where we can leverage it. I think the other big priority that we're really starting to focus on now and in the next couple of quarters is how can we also deploy generative AI tools at scale across the entire DoD for large scale experimentation. So that's how we've seen in industry a lot of the adoption and also the new use cases that are non-intuitive that we sitting at a desk can't think of are useful. The companies have provided the generative AI capability, frontier AI capability, be that either, through how I normally interact with my personal subscriptions, like the web interface or like my phone, provide those to to the company employees, and then they just start using it in their jobs. And you find these, drastic improvements in certain workflows because employees are incentivized if they want to do their work better and easier, and helping provide that infrastructure and the generative AI tools at scale on the DoD scale at large, so that there are, any of the employees in the DoD can access multiple different solutions as we can explore and figure out what is the best way for the DoD to do this and also understand the need, like how much compute does the DoD need to facilitate generative AI? What type of infrastructure do we need, and what's the best way to access that?